Crispy fries, golden chicken, and irresistible snacks, nothing beats the taste of freshly fried food at home or in your business. The right deep fryer can make all the difference, delivering fast heating, precise temperature control, and hassle-free cleanup. Whether you're cooking for family gatherings or running a busy kitchen, here are the top 5 best deep fryers that combine power, safety, and convenience for perfect frying every time. Number 1. Chefman 4.5-liter Deep Fryer. The Chefman 4.5-liter deep fryer is the perfect solution for anyone who loves crispy, golden fried food without the hassle of eating out. With its generous 4.5-liter capacity, this fryer is designed to handle family-sized portions, whether you're preparing French fries, fried chicken, donuts, or mozzarella sticks. Hosting a party or simply cooking for a big appetite, this fryer has you covered. Equipped with a powerful 1700-watt heating element, it delivers fast and even cooking, so your food comes out perfectly crisp every time. The adjustable temperature control dial ensures precise frying for a variety of dishes, letting you recreate restaurant-style favorites right at home. Cleanup is a breeze, thanks to the removable, dishwasher-safe basket that also clips to the side for easy oil draining. The fryer's lid with a viewing window allows you to check progress without opening, while the magnetic breakaway cord adds an important layer of safety. Backed by CETL approval and a 1-year assurance, the Chefman fryer is durable, reliable, and built for everyday use. A must-have for food lovers who want convenience, safety, and flavor all in one. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Electric Deep Fryer. The Hamilton Beach Electric Deep Fryer is a fantastic choice for anyone who loves preparing crispy, golden fried meals at home. With its large 4.7-quart, 19-cup oil capacity, this fryer can handle up to 12 cups of food at once, perfect for cooking family dinners or hosting gatherings. From French fries and chicken tenders to seafood and battered veggies, it makes cooking in large batches quick and convenient. Equipped with a powerful 1800-watt immersed heating element, it delivers fast preheating and even frying, so your food comes out perfectly crisp every time. The fryer includes 3 versatile baskets, a large 12-cup basket or 2 6-cup baskets, allowing you to cook one big portion or multiple foods at the same time. Cleanup is simple with its dishwasher-safe baskets, lid, and oil pot, while the removable heating element can be hand-washed with ease. The vented lid with a viewing window reduces messy splatters and lets you monitor progress without lifting the cover. For safety, the fryer features a magnetic breakaway cord to prevent accidents, while the adjustable temperature dial, 265 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and ready light ensure precise frying results every time. A professional quality deep fryer built for home convenience. Number 3. Swinod Commercial Deep Fryer with Baskets. The Swinod Commercial Deep Fryer with Baskets is built for both home cooks and professional kitchens, offering the power and capacity you need for large-scale frying. With its 1700W high-performance heating system, this fryer ensures quick preheating and fast, even cooking, cutting down waiting time so you can serve up crispy, golden results in no time. Designed with a 9.7 QT oil basin and a 4 QT fry basket, it's perfect for preparing meals for 3 to 5 people in a single batch. From family dinners to busy restaurant service, this fryer handles big portions with ease. The adjustable thermostat and rotary knob let you control temperatures between 140 degrees Fahrenheit and 390 degrees Fahrenheit, making it versatile enough for everything from French fries and chicken to shrimp and fish. Safety features include anti-scalding handles, a well-fitting lid to reduce splatter, non-slip foot pads for stability, and an overheat protection system that stops heating automatically when needed. Whether you're running a small cafe, food truck, or simply love hosting at home, this fryer combines commercial-grade reliability with user-friendly design, making it a must-have for any kitchen. Number 4. Waterelfo Electric Commercial Deep Fryer. The Waterelfo Electric Commercial Deep Fryer is a powerful and reliable choice for both professional and home kitchens. With its 1800W output and 120V voltage, it heats quickly and evenly, maintaining consistent oil temperatures for perfectly fried results. The double-sensitive probe ensures more accurate temperature control, making it easy to prepare everything from fries and chicken to fish, mozzarella sticks, and jalapeno poppers. Built with durability in mind, this fryer features a thickened 18.7-pound stainless steel design, anti-scald handles, 304 stainless steel basket, and adjustable support feet. The 13L 13.7 QT oil capacity with a 7.8-inch deep pan makes it ideal for restaurants, concession stands, sandwich shops, or home use. Convenience is at the forefront with the German EGO temperature control system and a 30-minute timer, giving you precise frying between 140 degrees Fahrenheit and 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Safety is guaranteed with an IP6 waterproof switch, head micro switch, temperature limit protection, and sealed base plate to prevent overheating and spills. Easy to install and clean, its deep oil basin keeps food scraps from burning, extending oil life. A dependable fryer that combines power, safety, and ease of use for professional quality frying every time. Number 5. Tangmi Commercial Deep Fryer. The Tangmi Commercial Deep Fryer is designed for heavy-duty performance, making it an excellent choice for restaurants, food stands, and busy kitchens. Equipped with a 1750W heating element on each side, it ensures rapid heating, quick temperature recovery, and consistent oil heat for high-efficiency frying. This allows you to cook multiple batches of French fries, onion rings, chicken, or snacks in less time while maintaining perfect crispiness. Crafted from durable thickened stainless steel, this fryer is resistant to dents, rust, and scratches, offering long-lasting durability and easy cleaning. Its food-grade 304 stainless steel heating element and built-in temperature limiter add extra safety, while the adjustable support legs provide stability. With a 25-point for QT dual-tank design, total oil capacity of 52.95 pounds, each tank has its own thermostat, switch, and basket, letting you cook different foods simultaneously. The adjustable thermostat, 175 to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, and guard plate ensure even heating and precise frying results. For convenience, the fryer allows you to save favorite frying cycles, making it faster and easier to prepare consistent meals. Built for professional use, it's the perfect fryer for restaurants, supermarkets, snack bars, or parties.